Hello, today we will guide you through how to change time on Webull Desktop. In this walkthrough, we'll adjust the time interval on your chart so you can quickly switch between faster intraday views and broader perspectives with confidence. Open the Webull Desktop app and pull up any chart. Along the bottom of the chart panel, look for a compact row of time interval buttons. These are usually labeled 1M, 15M, and 30Ms, and they control how much time each bar or candle represents. You'll typically find them right on the lower border of the chart or in a slim toolbar just beneath it. If your chart window is small or docked tightly, enlarge the panel to make these controls easy to see. Those labels change the chart's granularity. Choosing 1M shows each candle as 1 minute of trading, which is helpful for very short-term moves where every tick matters. Selecting 15-minute groups trading into 15-minute slices, filtering out some noise while keeping you close to the action. Picking 30-minute bars smooths things further, offering a wider view of intraday trends with fewer bars to scan. Think of it as zooming the timeline in or out without changing the symbol you're analyzing. To apply a new interval, simply click the label you want. When you click 1ME, the chart immediately redraws with 1-minute candles. Clicking 15 ms or 30 ms recalculates the display so each candle summarizes a longer span of time. This change affects only the timescale. Your indicators, drawings, and symbol remain intact, so your analysis carries over as you shift perspective. If you don't see the interval buttons right away, hover your mouse near the bottom edge of the chart to reveal hidden controls or expand the chart to full screen. Make sure the chart panel is active by clicking once inside it. This helps the app display the correct toolbar for that panel. If the labels look faint, switching to a higher contrast theme or brightening your display can make them easier to spot. That's all you need to do. Open the app, locate the time controls at the lower edge of your chart, and click the interval that suits your analysis. With just a couple of clicks, you can move from a fast 1-minute view to a cleaner 15 or 30-minute perspective, keep your workspace consistent, and stay focused on what matters most, reading the trend clearly and making timely decisions.